Oh, it's not eggs at all. It's just a gigantic bag. Okay, so it came with this little like tip sheet too of how you could get some fluffier eggs or if you're baking. Okay, so for this one, it says that we need 2 tablespoons for each egg. We're gonna make 2 eggs worth. So I'm going to do 4 tablespoons total. The other kind of annoying part about this is that it asks for ice cold water. So you do have to chill your water, which we did with some ice and then just strain the ice out, but hopefully this is cold enough. And then it says you whisk it together. So let's see. Oh, it definitely like has an eggy smell that's coming off of that, which I think this one does have black salt in it. Ooh, the smell is so strong on this one. It almost makes it hard to like cook with because it's just so smelly. The texture definitely seems like egg. It's got that rubbery type of bounce to it that's fluffy.
It almost feels like coagulated cheese.
Okay.
Oh my God.
There she goes.
Shut up. Feels like a weird taste.
Yeah, the first bite, if we can make it through a take without her gagging. The first bite seemed very weird. The second bite didn't seem as odd, but there's definitely like, you gonna be okay?
Yes, I'm gonna get through this bite.
Are you gonna get through? Oh my gosh, seriously? Wow. All right, well that happened. She basically threw up. This isn't even gagging anymore. She like full on like threw up.
I just had to spit it out of my mouth. It was...
In a throw up type of fashion.